In front of me is OPPO K13x, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on accessibility and convenience. Click on one-handed mode over here and use gray switcher next to it to activate it. Now follow all of those instructions to use it. Swipe down at the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!